Hey folks, this is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. First, we're going to show the unboxing, and then we're going to talk about this cool product. I took it out of the box. I was a little worried that it would take a lot of assembly, but it looks like the main unit already has a hose attached, a little plastic add-on, and then a box full of tips. So it seems like the assembly is going to be fairly easy and straightforward. So let me go ahead and skip ahead, and we'll show you some of the use. Assembly was pretty straightforward. Pull this off. I put this underneath a spigot and just got some water into the, I guess the boiler. Appears to be the on-off button, cord, and then this just snapped into place. You can see there's just little snaps here, easy enough. So setup was a breeze, just took about a minute or so, and filling it with water. So just go ahead and get this thing started. There we go, press it in. And you're supposed to wait about 20 minutes for it to heat up. All right, so I've had it steaming and I've gone ahead and done that portion of the floor, but we're gonna work on the tile first, something easy. Now, I do like that it has kind of a lock where I don't have to hold the button down. And you can see it really steaming. Now that's been stuck on there for a little bit. Seems to come right up. And it's kind of got a microfiber essentially adhesive. Now if you watch, you can really see the steam coming off, and it kills 99.9% of bacteria and things of the sort. So that's going to be easy peasy lemon squeezy. Great way to mop, great way to clean the floors. And again, just super easy, straightforward product. But we're going to try it on a little bit harder surfaces here in a little bit. But yeah, I like it. So far, so good. Easy to use. You can see how quickly we were able to cover that half of the kitchen. All right, this is the mop head essentially from the kitchen. I can throw that in the wash machine and it essentially Velcros on. So I'm gonna put it onto the machine, swap them out. And now we're gonna try windows. Okay, you can see the windows are a little bit dirty. And I just want to give it a shot, see how that looks, see how this cleans up. All right, now I want to take a moment and clean off this outdoor table. It looks disgusting because it is. And my wife won't eat on it anymore because it's too dirty. Let's just see how this thing does. And it would be nice to not get as dirty when you're using your table. Just the pollen and stuff gets on this, right? It gets disgusting. I think you can already see a difference here. Turn off the steam so you can really see the left versus right. Real difference there. I'm only supposed to use this on sealed wood, and this is an older piece that's just been outdoors for a while, so I don't mind steaming it and getting it clean again. You can see the difference between the nasty and the cleaner portions. All right, now the one we've all been waiting for, the barbecue grill. And don't act like your barbecue grill isn't gross too. So let's go ahead and clean it out a little bit. Hard to do one-handed, folks. Dirt on these that you need to scrub off every once in a while. Pollen and debris. Just a real difference. And there you go. The windows, given a little bit of time to dry, have really turned out well. There's my dog Jeanette watching me from the outside. But this is a great product. Go ahead and order yours today. Order it with confidence. Get it from Amazon. Killing 99.9% of bacteria, cleaning things off, and getting a fresh look once again is going to be amazing. You know, I was able to hit a few things and just get this a little cleaner. Again, I know you probably shouldn't be hitting your furniture too much, but that's an outdoor piece that gets damp every once in a while. And cleaning off this table, cleaning off the barbecue grill. What a great product. Order yours today. You won't be disappointed.